Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching. However you're watching, I hope you're well. My name's John, and today we're going to start a bit of the shed preparation. So the garden's looking a bit out of control, but that is because of this bald patch of grass. I spoke to my uncle, he said let the grass grow, let it reseed itself. So I tried, but I think we're going to try and help Mother Nature move things along a little bit. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing or not, but I just stripped all the seeds off of where I could get them and threw them into the big patch of grass. Probably should have dug a fork into the ground just to get some of them into the soil a bit more, but I'll go and do that very soon this morning. Now, on to what we need to do. So the reason I've done that first was just to get all the grass seeds. Now I can cut it all back, give us a good working area for planning and building. The little wooden fence on my right is the first thing that we're going to need to do, so that's problem number one. Before we start the shed build, I want to redo that fence. And this ivy at the back is about 1 metre deep at some points, but now I've taken it back to about 1/2 metre deep and took some height off it. I didn't want to lose it all just in case my dog found a way through or the foxes found a way in, either. So that's it for today, just a bit of prep, getting it nice and tidy, going back over it with a lawnmower on the lowest setting just to clear any sticks and debris up. Thank you guys for watching, see you soon, don't forget to subscribe.